process documentation. Yeah. That's a thing. Added a bunch of stuff. So it's like brand new. I have 2 versions of this character now, which is kind of cool. I'll throw a 3rd one in for the demo, hopefully. They do have slightly different moves, although they're all based on the same stuff. That's fine. Haven't implemented the familiars. That's going to be probably what I do today or tomorrow. I have these for like map types. If people want to play around in the debug, they can play around in the debug. But it defaults to the tower only, which is fantastic. Oh, okay, so that's fun. I just discovered a bug. Okay, so what happened there, this is how it goes. What happened there was I clicked this twice, which is not ideal because then it spawns the character twice. We don't want that. So I'm gonna have to go in and fix that. But this is the new tutorial room. So I got stuff, and then yeah. So this is the tutorial orb. I love the tutorial orb. These dots are the that is for the controller scheme, just to tell you which button it is. So I'm not doing like X, and people are like used to the X on Xbox versus the X on the PlayStation. I just think this is an easier option. And then this is just like a kind of whole thing of like, hey, you want to hear about the game? Yeah. That person is me, not the tutorial orb, but me. Yeah. So there's like a whole thing. So if people want to just like keep going, it's there. I don't have anything set up for the spell writing table yet, but that's okay. Got nice little transition animations now, and that's awesome. Yeah, so now we have the orbs. In the bottom corner, there's like a little ink jar. And the pages collect, which is awesome. And so the pages are the upgrades themselves. The ink is the resource to like write the spells. So every enemy will drop ink. Not every enemy will drop spell pages. Another thing is these orbs indicate the status of the level. So right now the level is not completed, so they're all red. The doors can't be opened when the level is incompleted. We've got these nice like barricades going on. Table barricades, which is kind of fun. Like you can't get in here because all the chairs and stuff are in the way. Because in theory, that's like the center arena area, or like the center room. But you can't get in there because you gotta go like all the way around. So if we go in and actually clear this button, we clear these guys out. Can you don't? Go in. Oh my god, that one went far. Wow. And the orbs change color to indicate that the room is now open. So we could go this way, but because I know how I designed this, I don't want to go this way. I instead want to go this way. And the orbs are back to the red. Because there's enemies still in the area. The more and more time I spend playtesting and like going through, yeah, see how that was changed? This door doesn't go anywhere, so you can't interact with it. But this door in the center goes somewhere. And now we're in the center. I think there's a lot of things I would do differently if I was to do this again, which I think is the point partially as well. There's a lot that I would like to fix. I am happy with where I've gotten to because, wow, this is a lot. Yeah, so you can't go that way. Can't go through that door, but you can go through this door. And I think I need to make this a little bit more obvious as to like where to go. Just because if you don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. But if you go in here, this will be kind of the end of the room, or the end of the tutorial kind of thing, or the playtest, that's the thing, demo, that's the word. Go through, there'll probably be like a little scroll or something saying like, thank you for playing, and then if I have it go back out here, it will transition to a different level, that, there's no roof in here, it'll transition to a different level where it just, it continuously spawns enemies, so you'll never actually clear this level, which is just kind of like if people want to keep playing, they can keep playing. Yeah. So my next kind of step in all of this is getting, oh, well, just can't stand on that, is getting the page, like the upgrade system fully implemented. The setup is there. Ooh, something else I should talk about. I have set it up so that if somebody is playing the game and it pauses, a minute will go by. Oh, excuse me. We'll have 30 seconds, and then a timer will pop up being like, hey, if they're still there, give us some input, and then there we go. So it'll return to the main menu if it's paused, just so that when it does return to the main menu, it's a little bit more inviting for people to play. There's going to be, I need to update this because this, it's partially working because this is correct, but it's not updating the games played. So I'm going to go through, figure out what's going on with this, and then I look forward to seeing the statistics for people who play during ViveFest. Settings don't do anything, but we have a nice keybinds thing, so if people are really curious, they can come in and take a look. Credits. Wow. And then there is no, I don't want them to be able to quit during during ViveFest. So I've disabled that button so you can't actually quit the game, which is kind of funny. But yeah, I am very happy with this product so far. There is so much more that needs to be done, but that is neither here nor there. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment and a like. Oh, I don't know. Yeah.